Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some more $30 natural hair wigs for you all. I know you all love those type videos. I get so many comments and so much great feedback from those particular wig videos, and Janet Collection has done it again. They have released more natural me lace wigs, and these are HD wigs. I have 3 that I'm going to be showing you all today. So I'm going to be showing you all Tamilla. I'm also going to be showing you all Tessa and Sierra. Now these are synthetic wigs, but y'all, they look so natural. If you've seen any of my other natural hair wig videos with Janet Collection, then you already know these are so bomb, and I'm really hoping that I'm able to also install these glueless, so the no glue no gel install. Y'all, that's what we're trying again today. I've been successful in all my other videos, so I'm really hoping that I'm able to do that with these as well. So let me just give you all the rundown of these units. All of these units are in color 2. Now, I usually get color 1B, but they didn't have that available, so I had to get color 2. But they actually look very similar to color 1B. I am going to go through and show you all me cutting the lace off one particular unit, and that's going to be Tamilla. This is what Tamilla looks like. Now, I am going to go through the process of cutting the lace off and everything for Tamilla, but all the others, I actually already did it off camera. Okay, so this is what Tamilla looks like. This is how it comes packaged. Now, this is the texture, y'all. You cannot tell me this does not look like natural hair. And it's so soft, y'all. Oh, and y'all, look at these beautiful chunky curls. They are gorgeous. I am feeling this one, and this particular length is going to be great for the winter time. It is very full. Y'all know I love volume, so I am going to love this unit. Now, all of these units are pretty much constructed the same way. Depending upon the type of part that the particular unit has, it's going to have this one line of parting in that particular area. It also has combs, and then you also get lace across the front parameter, which is really great. So if you're someone who loves to melt your lace on your units, then you can absolutely do that. I really like the color of this lace as well. And this is Swiss lace, which is great quality lace. So I love that they did that with the synthetic wig. I'm going to try this one on. I'm going to take off this little head wrap that I'm wearing currently. I do have a stocking cap under, and it is a flesh tone stocking cap. So I'm just going to pull that forward. I tried to lay my hair really flat. Hopefully this is flat enough. I didn't pin it down or anything. I literally have my hair. Let me show y'all. I just have it in 4 braids. I actually washed it last night. So I'm just going to pull those back. I literally just put a hole in my stocking cap from the bobby pin. But nobody's going to see that. Well, except for you guys. But it doesn't matter. I'm sure this one's going to be gorgeous. It looks like the part is actually on the left side, and I generally don't wear my hair on that side. So this is going to be interesting. So for those who are right side part girls, that's just something to keep in mind. The part is on the opposite side. Okay. Oh, come on, Tamilla. Oh, that's so pretty. I am going to have to flatten her out at the top, but just in putting her on right away, she already looks so gorgeous. Wow. Okay, so this is the color of the lace. Now, I will say that this unit is rather snug on my head. So for those who are looking for units that are big head friendly, this may not be the one for you. But I don't want to speak too soon because I haven't cut the lace off on this unit. So it might have a little more give once I do that. So let's cut the lace off and then see. But I do want to show you guys what the hairline looks like. I want to try to show you guys. Looks really good. Okay, now I'm going to cut the lace off. I think I'm going to also go into the part and make it pop a little more. But let's do that now.
That's what she said. Yep, that's what she said. Every time I come around, she acting shy. She be looking good, she be looking fly. She told her mama that I make her feel.
All right, now that I've cut the lace off, this is what it's looking like. And y'all, be very careful when you're cutting that lace, because I literally think I cut some of my hair right here. Really? I can't really tell because some of it is a little gray right there, but I don't know. Be careful, y'all. Nevertheless, let's take these clips off. Hopefully We don't have to use any gel or glue.
Told her mama that I make her feel like.
It's really weird having the part on this side for me. I'm not accustomed to that. But as you can see, it does lay really flat. So I like that. Now I just need to flatten out the top. All right, so let's play around with her and see what we can do. And then I'll come back on when we're finished.
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off.
All right, now that we flattened her out, she looks much better. Now, what I noticed when I was combing the hair at the roots is that it seems like it had been teased some at the roots just to give it more volume in that area. But most individuals like for their hair to be really flat in that area. So do try to comb with a fine tooth comb and then go over it with a hot comb or a curl wand like I did. I feel like the curl wand method is just much easier. And it'll get it pretty flat. Now there is like a little hump here, and I would have liked the hump if it was on the other side. I like showing my dimple. I think that's why I like wearing my part on this side, but nevertheless, it still looks cute. But what I think I want to do is actually frame my face a little more because I feel like it's a little overwhelming. On this side, it's covering my face a little too much. So I think I'm just gonna cut it just a little bit so that it falls the way that I desire. But I really like her. Oh, and I do want to mention that these units are heat safe up to 360 degrees. Now, I did put my curl wand on 350 just to make sure it didn't burn at all. But you can go up to 360.
You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to.
Okay, I feel like that may be good enough. Y'all, I really wish the part was on the other side because I think I would just love it. All right, let me see what it would look like if I were to curl it just a little bit more in this area. I feel like if I bump it just a bit, it won't be spilling over my eyelids too much. Okay, let's try that.
You wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take.
Okay, I don't feel like that really did much. See if I can do it with the flat iron because I don't really like how it turned out with the curl wand. I feel like it actually straightened it a little bit. I don't want that.
Too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like.
Y'all, I really wish I had not even started flat ironing this hair because it's getting straighter and I don't want it to be like bone straight. I want it to still have that blowout look. See, look at the difference. The texture looks like a silk press when this looks more so like a blowout. So it is good to know that you can actually straighten it and get it silkier if that's what you desire. But I like the blowout look. So I wish I hadn't done that. Man.
You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay, I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through.
All right, so this is the finished product with Tamilla. Tamilla is gorgeous. I love the texture, and the same texture is consistent with all the units. It is a yucky straight or kinky straight type blowout look. And I do like the texture, and I really like that you can actually straighten this hair, but I don't feel like you can really curl it. I tried curling it with my flat iron. I also tried curling it with my curl wand, and I had challenges curling it. I was hoping to get a really nice effortless like bump here, but that wasn't working out, and I feel like it more so straightened the hair more than anything. So I do like that you can get a silky straight look if that's what you desire. I love the blowout texture, but I feel like now I no longer have that texture because I went and used the flat iron. But I really like the curls that it came with. I just wanted to refine the curls after cutting the hair to frame my face in the front, but that didn't quite work out. But this is the length of this unit. It seems like it's around 22 maybe. So it's quite long, and y'all, it is full, and we didn't have to use glue or gel, which is really cool. So let's try on the next unit. All right, now we're gonna switch it up a bit, and we're gonna try on Tessa. This is what Tessa's card looks like. Y'all probably already know I really love a short bob. This one's kind of giving me Kelly Rowland vibes. Look at the shape, and y'all, this bounce is everything. So just as I shared earlier, this one does have that one strip of parting down the middle section because this one is a middle part unit. I also forgot to mention that these units are made with breathable caps, so you are getting oxygen to your scalp, which is really good. You can actually put your fingers through the holes, so that's a great feature. So using these units for protective styling is such a great idea. I already cut the lace off, so let's install Tessa.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished, no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah, all the pretty girls.
Y'all, Tessa is a showstopper. This one is gorgeous. It looks so natural. It is like crazy how realistic this one looks. This texture looks so good on this particular unit, and you are going to get so much less resistance because of the length of this one. With Tamilla, because this one is so long and it has these chunky curls, you are going to get resistance with a longer texture so much faster than with a shorter texture like this. I can actually use a fine tooth comb on this one easily, but with Tamilla, there was so much more resistance because there's so much length. And this texture, it just doesn't, it's great with this particular length, but I wouldn't advise you to manipulate this one as much as you can with Tessa because she's shorter. And I feel like this one would also be so much easier to maintain. And I love that it has a middle part. I feel like middle part wig installs are so easy. Like, there's nothing to do. You don't need to tweeze the front hairline or anything. You could actually just wear your edges, not have to worry about the lace. Even if the wind blows, y'all, you're good. And even if you're someone who doesn't have edges at all, just make sure you comb it down really nicely on the sides and no one will even know. You ready to slay the day? In no time, y'all. This is legit a grab and go unit. No work needed at all. I want to show you guys this texture. Look at that texture. Oh, I like the way Tessa looks behind the ear as well. Let's see what she looks like with the hat. So I'm going to try Tessa on with this fedora. It is from Urban Outfitters. I've shared it probably several times on my channel and on Instagram. Love this hat. And it looks so good with Tessa. I like it. I like it. Okay, now let's see if I've saved the best for last. We're going to try Sierra. Don't let me down, Sierra, because I'm really excited about this one as well. All right, so this is Sierra. This one has more curls than Tamilla. It's also shorter than that one. So I think I'm probably going to like this one. I don't know if I'm going to like it more than Tessa, but we'll see. This one also has the curved side part, but it's on the left side. Jenna Collection, I need y'all to make these with right side parts. I know there are other people out there who wear their units on the right as well. I guess the majority maybe wears theirs on the left, but The right side is my good side. Oh, she cute too. I can already tell I need to flatten her out at the top. Oh, and I do want to mention that this unit also comes with baby hair. And I like the baby hair that they did. They're not overdone.
Chocolate factory, all of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls get video. In Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, that no comparing to you. Aisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. Oh, pretty girl.
All right, y'all. So this is Sierra, and Sierra is stunning. I really like the chunky curls. She kind of reminds me of Amani. I don't know if you guys saw my first video. I believe it was my first one that I did. Amani had this length, but the curls were a little tighter. This unit has a similar style going, but the curls are bigger, and I like that. I feel like Sierra looks really elegant, and she would be so good for a holiday party. Along with Tamilla, that would also be a really great option. So ranking these in order, for me, Tessa is still number 1, but Sierra is definitely number 2. I really like this style. I love these chunky curls. They're so beautiful, and the hair feels so soft. I feel like I got the most shedding with Tamilla. So keep that in mind with synthetic wigs. The longer the length, you are going to have more shedding as well as more tangling. So I am experiencing much less tangling, much less shedding and everything with this unit as well as with Tessa. So I do like those more. So yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Let me know which unit you like best. Some of you guys might like the longer unit better. Leave it down below. Let me know what you all think about these synthetic natural hair wigs. And let me know, have you all tried any of the Janet Collection's Natural Me line? I believe I have those videos under my synthetic wigs playlist, so you all be sure to check that out. I'll also link some of the Janet Collection videos that I've done in the past in the cards above and at the end of this video, so you all be sure to check those out as well. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Let me know what you guys think. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. Also check the description. I have the links to all of these units provided down there. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.